It's official now. The Sanjeevani Sugar Factory will produce ethanol. A firm from Pune will be given the charge. Cabinet given approval to appoint a consultant, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said. Casinos too have been given a one-year extension.
Goa 365 had flashed the news that Sanjeevani Sugar Factory would now produce ethanol instead of sugar. The sugar factory was out of service since due to old machinery and government was finding more options. Recently, its administrator said the sugar would be now replaced by ethanol and sugarcane farmers will benefit in long run. Government gave official nod to this announcement in cabinet. Chief Minister said state will receive 54 crore grant from centre to set up ethanol plant.
Setting of the ethanol production of the plant, ethanol production plant at Sanjeevani Sahkari Karkhana, Dharbandora. The Deccan हेका ताका directly appoint केला the consultancy firm म्हणून तो project ready झालो. We have sent to the government of India for the ethanol plant घालपा खातीर संजीवनी कडे. The ethanol करतले. It is after all sugar ऊस घेण्या फाटीमागचो अर्थ दोन्ही करू शकता. Both the provision आसा. ताजो हो actually at present project धाडपाक जाय आशिल्लो. ताका फक्त आता हो आयला पयनी to appoint a consultant, which is only the 4 lakhs rupees we are giving for the consultant. तो project report detail ready करून government of India धाडटले. 56 crores of rupees they are ready to give us with a low rate of interest from the government of India. But आमी कितले घेवपाचे आनी कितें project कितल्याचो आसतले तर Deccan हे जे आसा पळय न्हू ते decide करतले. Deccan Sugar Technology Association DSTA from Pune to prepare the DPR of the project, the installation of the 40 kpld ethanol production distillery unit at the Sanjeevani Sugar Factory, which is त्यांची fees 4 lakhs rupees.
Chief Minister said a recommendation had come from GPSC to relax Kokni in examination of Architectural College and Art College. Cabinet did not allow it.
Filling of the post of the Goa College of Art, Kokni relaxation, relax करपा खातीर आयिल्लें GPSCतल्यान, but ते करूंक ना कॅन्सल केला once again. त्यांच्यानी रिलॅक्सेशन मागलेलें कोंकणीचें, बट आमी दिवना. ते तर उरतलेच. हो आत्ता फक्त त्यांचो न्यू DPR रेडी करपा खातीर स्टाफ आनी तांकांच घेवन काम करचें पडटलें न्ही आमकां. ना DPR केला आमी DPR गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाक धाडटले. स्टार्ट करता. बरोबर. Again there is filling of the post of the principal of the Goa College of Architecture, relaxation मागलेले कोंकणी खातीर, but we have rejected. Architecture College चे बी same. Okay, there is a filling of the vacant post under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, मनरेगा. तांचे वेगवेगळे पोस्ट फिल करपाक आयिल्ले, which is sanctions existing post. Totally vacant post is 68.
Casinos too had been given a one-year extension and cabinet also approved a rooftop solar scheme notification and Goa Startup Policy 2021.
Notification of the revised scheme for the promotion of the grid connection of the solar rooftop system with net metering for the Goa Energy Development Agencies. ताज्या खातीर तो notification आशिल्लो पळय तो notifications काडला for the solar energy हेच्या खातीर. It is revised scheme for the promotion of the grid connection connected to the solar rooftop system. Goa Startup Policy 2021 तिका कॅबिनेटाचे अप्रुवल दिवपा खातीर आयिल्ले. तितून चेंजीस सजेस्ट केल्या. फाटली पॉलिसी जी की स्टार्टअपाच्या खातीर फ्रेंडली नाशिल्ली, वेगवेगळे भितर चेंजीस सजेस्ट केल्या. फाटले फावटी वेगवेगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट जातले ते जावचे न्ही म्हणून न्यू पॉलिसी वेबसायटीचेर घालतले ते. कॅसिनोक एक्सटेंशन एका वर्साचें दिल्लें आसा. प्रोसेस चालू आसा. इन मीन वायल जे प्रायोरिटी बेगीन जाता त्या अनुसार शिफ्ट केले वयतले.
Casinos term extended. Official clearance for Sanjeevani Sugar Factory to produce ethanol. Kokni compulsory. Rooftop solar scheme notification. Goa Startup Policy 2021 cleared. Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Porvorim.